Time REBOOT VCT is a subset of an investment trust, and that investment trust gives people tax release for investing in small UK businesses.
It's a £20 million fund open to private investors who will invest as little as £3,000, and we will use that to invest in a diversified portfolio of companies in the UK that are run by ex-military entrepreneurs.
We've got a pipeline of around 20 businesses at the moment, and I'm sure many more will come as a consequence of our marketing. Half the portfolio will be into businesses that are already profitable and seeking further funds for expansion, and then the other half will be earlier stage businesses which have still got proven turnover, so revenue of about £250,000, but then are looking to expand much more quickly. There's a business called Sky Futures, based in Hayes in Middlesex, which flies unmanned aerial vehicles in order to inspect oil and gas installations, and amongst other things.
The ex-military personnel have got the core skill sets that we need, and particularly because we work in tough environments. We work offshore, it requires discipline, timeliness, and actually you need to follow procedures to the letter. You can't get things wrong in a critical environment.
In the case of trust, that's one thing that you get in spades from the military. In terms of profitability, they turn up with the dynamic entrepreneurial skills embedded in them by the military.
About a year ago, Stuart and I sat down and talked about projects we had in the pipeline, and straight away I said to him this was a great idea, something that was going to provide to the investment market a very unique proposition.
We're looking for investors who are typically UK taxpayers. Venture capital trusts have a rather unique form of relief in that you're investing into a fund that's managed by somebody, but you get 30% tax relief on your initial investments, and then your capital gains are tax-free and your dividends are tax-free. And people can invest from £3,000 up to £200,000.
Here we've got some great people involved with a great idea, with a great track record, and a fund that really has some very promising opportunities to invest in. These guys have built successful funds in the past and made a lot of money.
REBOOT as a fund, as a business, will be a huge success because it's doing something that the market needs. It's filling that gap by connecting people's desire to invest with those high quality ex-military or dependent entrepreneurs.